How to leave a leak on Fantasy Premier League. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can leave a leak in Fantasy Premier League. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up the Fantasy Premier League application. Make sure that you're signed in. Once you're here, now you could head over to Fantasy from the menu bar at the bottom. Scroll down to the Leagues and Cups section. Here you have options such as Invitational, Classic Leagues, and the General League. Now to leave the league that you have joined, head over to Configure Leagues next to Join League button. Now once you head over to Configure League option, under that tab you will find all of the leagues that you're into. Then you have to scroll through the leagues and select the one that you want to leave. That will work both for the classic and head-to-head league. So once you select your preferred league or next to that league, there you may find a settings like icon or three-dot icon in the corner. Then tap on it. After that, you will have an option to leave the league. Tap and leave league, then you will get a confirmation message. Just tap OK and you're out. So that's it. That's how you can leave a league on Fantasy Premier League, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.